Today is February 4th, 2026. I'm on the roof of the Quick family in Cottonwood, Arizona, where I'm going to be doing a repair attempt on that wind creased and damaged shingle on the back slope of the roof. We see a large crease through the entirety of the shingle. What I want to do first is get you guys set up to view the work. Sure, everybody has a good viewpoint there. I'm going to line up my tools. First, I have a soft nose putty knife. I have a flat bar, magnetic roofing hammer, roofing snake, as well as 1.25 inch per code roofing nails. What I want to do first is diagnose the shingle. What we have here is we have a dimensional shingle. It looks like the shingle starts here. The shingle does start here. And the shingle ends here. I want to make sure that it's completely separated from the material that holds it to the books beneath it. It is. It's been flopping. That's why it's got the large crease in it. But now I need to do the same thing for the books above it. In Arizona, these things just kind of mat and stick together. We want to take our time and go slow. We don't want to rip or tear anything. This book is pretty well matted down. All right, we do have a free surface. Now I'm going to take my flat bar and remove the shingle from the decking. We just work from side to side, trying to get it free of the nail strip. First we'll do the nails that's in our shingle's nail strip. Now we'll work to get the back free. Just start on one side and work our way over. Alright, we have our shingle free. I'll set that off to the side. Now I'm going to do an inspection of the underlayment. See what we've got going on here. Alright. Alright, it looks like we do have a free and clear surface for a reinsertion. So I'll take my shingle, I'll line it up. What I want to do is work to get it back in place where it was. I do have the shingle book back in place. Now I'll take my recommended roofing snake. The reason why we use the roofing snake is so we don't have to lift these two books more than necessary to get an appropriate nail strike. We're going to start on one end of the shingle. Line up right here, make sure that we're straight in the nail strip. We are. That's one. Go down about 6 inches. That's two. We'll continue down to the middle. Make sure we're straight in the nail strip. That's three. All right, and that's 4. It looks like we do have our shingle book back in place, but I can see a few things that are concerning to me now. First of all, when I was lifting the book, I noticed that this tooth is delaminated. We now see areas of granule loss right here. I also see granule loss here, although this tooth has held its integrity. We see granule loss here, and this book also is delaminated. This tooth is now separated from the bottom of the shingle. So we have 1 tooth, 2 teeth. We see a small chip or indentation here from the roofing snake. Oh, and we see this tooth is about 60% delaminated. The reason why the delaminated teeth are a problem in repairability is these teeth hold on to the bottom part of the book. The book is built in 2 parts. It has the layer that's underneath the shingles, the top layer, which are built into the teeth, and then the teeth hold on to the bottom layer. When the teeth become delaminated, a couple gusts of wind, just a little bit of time, and the book begins to separate at the seam, and then this book falls apart. So effectively, by removing this shingle, damage has been done to the 2 books above it, and these 2 books would need to be repaired and removed as well. That would likely trigger an event that would go all the way cascade up to the ridge. By removing this shingle, these 2 have been damaged. Therefore, I deem this roof irreparable. I'll include photos. We see here the delaminated teeth. Granule loss, granule loss.